can't see nothing. Jesus. A bit of a boost lag, but we got it now. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. We're gonna do something different today. Instead of me giving a POV of what it looks like outside, we're gonna do a POV of my reaction to my car. It's probably not gonna be the longest video because I'm just gonna go to my gym again, so it's gonna be about like 10 minutes. It's a nice day. It's always a nice day in California. Even when it's raining, it's still a nice day. It's just a day I can't drive my car. I swear, like, giving it boosts always puts a smile on my face. It's just a fun experience. I can only imagine how it would feel if I had more. Like, if this is my minimum, like, what's my top end like? Another camera for my POV, so you can see like how I'm driving and then me and my reactions towards my driving, rather than just one reaction. This car is just so much fun. I got it. In third, well, you guys can't see nothing. Jesus. This is, I really want to turn on my boost. I'm only on 14 pounds and I barely even hit it. I think the last high boost I put down was only 12 pounds, which is not 14. Hard to actually really throw down the full 14. I have to really like step on it. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic. I'm gonna say a lot, decent amount, more than usual though when I'm trying to go to the gym. Giving it a little bit more boost, it would have been a lot louder under that tunnel. Car sounds amazing under tunnels. Car sounds amazing in general, but everything sounds good under a tunnel. Can't give it too much boost, a lot of cars on the highway. shit, I just set off a car alarm. Whoopsies. God, this scared the hell out of me. Car alarms are so sensitive. Can't even breathe on that dude's car. Should I just park right here? I think I will. I'll just take whatever I find. All right, we made it to the gym again. I'm not really I don't know if I'm feeling this POV angle. I'm not sure if I'll do it again. I think the next time I'll do it, if I have like the rear mount 360 camera in the back of my car, and then I'll do a POV for inside, so my reaction, so you guys can actually see me and hear me. Because once I get the 360 camera on the back angle, like that's it as far as like being able to hear me talk, because you only hear the exhaust of the car and everything like that. But if I put the GoPro camera in here and mount it like in the exact same spot, that way you'll have a picture of me and the actual drive. Kind of like a streamer, how he puts his video games up and has a picture of him jerking off. It's the same thing. So yeah, I might do another video on the way back. I'll just flip the camera because I'm not really feeling this angle. Nobody really cares to see my expression of my own car. Okay, we back. I switched the angle for the POV. I just don't give a shit about my reaction to my own car. Whoa, this dip is a bitch! Okay, we're right next to a school, we gotta chill. Some nice driving. Traffic. It's about that time too. Might just be like a little chill drive back home. Roll up the windows, my bad about that. Yeah, we're about pretty much in rush hour right now. It's 4 o'clock. There's usually never that much going on the way back home towards San Francisco. But I don't know if you guys can see that traffic on the way back, like towards San Jose. It is just packed. People going in that direction, they literally can't even move right now. That's just a highway. Okay, we're behind a couple of bums. A pretty short video, you guys. A lot of cars on the highway. There's nothing really too much on it. Well, at least not too many cool cars. Got some nice wide open roads. I'm in 5th gear. I'm not doing any pulls in 5th. We'll downshift it. A little bit of a boost lag, but we got it now. Pull. Let's give it some more. Big bump, big bump. Alright, that was it. Nothing really too much going on. The POV angle that I had in the beginning, basically focusing on me, on my reaction towards my own car, wasn't really the best. I thought I'd get some good content, but there was too many people on the road to even give it some boost. On the way back, it was just as worse. We were in rush hour, it's 4 o'clock, going even to the San Francisco area, there's still a lot of people. So, it's just gonna be a little small video. I'd rather have some content rather than no content, and I'm about to install the lower control arms within the next couple of days, so I'll make a video on that as well. But hopefully I'll make another video of me driving before I do that, because I don't know how long this will take. This is my first time actually doing my own type of mechanic work, so I'm looking forward to it. With that being said, please like and subscribe to my channel, everyone. It means a lot. And for everyone else, I'll see everyone on the next video. Peace out.